50 divided by 5, right? 10, right? Plus 5 times 3. Now 10 plus 5 equals 15 times 3, and 15 times 3 equals 45. This gives us 45, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, but parentheses must be done before division and multiplication. Now let's solve it correctly. Okay, so inside the parentheses, 50 divided 5 plus 5 equals 10 times 3. Now multiplication and division from left to right. 50 divided by 10 equals 5 times 3, and 5 times 3 equals 15.